Dreams are like secret movies your brain plays at night, but most of us don't realize how strange and mysterious they truly are. So today, here are mind-blowing facts about dreams that will completely change how you think about sleep. Did you know you dream every single night, even if you don't remember it? In fact, we dream 4 to 6 times per night. Most dreams disappear within seconds after waking because your brain shuts off the memory system during REM sleep. Some people dream in black and white. Older generations report it more often because they grew up watching black and white TV, which actually influenced their dream world. Your brain can invent new faces. Every person in your dreams is someone you've seen before, even for a second in real life. Nightmares are not just fears. They're your brain trying to solve emotional problems. Sometimes, your mind shows you your worries in a symbolic way instead of directly. Blind people dream too, but their dreams are based on sound, smell, touch, and emotions instead of images. Dreams can predict emotions long before you notice them in real life. A stressful dream might appear before you even realize you're under pressure. Lucid dreaming is real, where you become aware inside a dream and sometimes control what happens. It feels like being awake inside your own mind. And here's the weirdest thing. Your brain is actually more active during dreams than when you're awake. That's why some dreams feel intense and strange. Many dreams are based on real memories but mixed with imagination, creating a movie that feels familiar yet unreal. We even experience physical reactions. Your heart can race, your body may twitch, and your brain can simulate real emotions, even though you're just lying in bed. So tell me, which dream fact surprised you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending psychology content.